Hello friends, investing your hard-earned money wisely is crucial to build a secure financial future. Today we will compare the two most popular investment options, bank FDs and gilt mutual funds. Let's break down why gilt mutual funds are far better than bank FDs. FDRs are offered by banks. Fixed deposit is an investment of a lump sum amount for a fixed tenure at a predetermined interest rates. FDRs are considered as a low-risk investment as they offered a guaranteed return. On the other hand, a gilt mutual fund is a type of mutual fund that invests in government securities, also known as government bonds. These bonds are issued by central or state government, making them one of the safest investment options. The primary advantage of gilt mutual fund is their low credit risk because the likelihood of government default is minimal. Let's compare the return of these two investment options with the help of this chart. We have given 1 year, 3 year and 5 year CAGR of SBI Bank FDR and top 3 gilt mutual fund returns. You can see that gilt mutual funds have given higher returns. Looking at the current economic scenario and US Fed rate, the probability of interest rate cut by RBI soon is very high. Now let us understand the impact of interest rate cut on FDR and gilt mutual funds. In case interest rates goes down, your FDR does not give you more interest than the predetermined interest rates. On the other hand, gilt mutual fund invests in government securities. So when the interest rate goes down, the NAV of gilt mutual fund increases and it will give you additional benefits. So if you prioritize safe returns along with higher yield than bank FDRs, gilt mutual fund is a better option under the present situation. We hope that this comparison helped you to understand the difference between gilt mutual fund and bank FDs. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more such financial insights.